work to do today. So we got this E36 here. We're about to change the clutch on this. The owner says the clutch feels a little bit too stiff for them. They want more like a OEM feel, I guess you could say. So picked it up from Queens last night, and me and Sebastian are about to change the clutch on it. Quiet, nice and quiet. I drove this shit too. It's pretty good. I didn't even realize it had reflective tints. I said I didn't realize it had reflective tints.
Oh yeah, last night. Right? Yeah. I woke up this morning. I was like, what the fuck?
This shit is clean though. Interior is clean. Even this shit right here works, surprisingly. I think it has 30,000 miles on it. The clutch is kind of fucked up, but it's definitely like in the hundreds. We got the car in the air. We are about to start tackling the drive shaft and the shifter linkage. And we might have to remove this manifold. We might try something and try to get to the starter bolts without it. It is OBD2, so we might not have to touch the starter bolts. It might just be a bolt itself that goes into the starter and not let them bolt like how my car is. So we'll see how it goes. So this is basically everything that you're gonna need to take the transmission off. A bunch of fucking extensions, an 18mm wrench, 18mm socket, 1/2 inch, a 13mm socket as well, and an E10, 12, and 14 socket. Just loosened up the exhaust. About to put the car in neutral, and then we're gonna be taking off these 3 bolts around here. They are the 18mm up here, and then there's a 18mm back here as well, so it's not a bolt. Gonna use the gun real quick and a wrench to take them off. We just got the drive shaft off. We disconnected the shifter linkage. It's literally a clip right here, and then we got the bitch clip. It's in the back of the trans. It sits like right in here. It looks like this. You basically have to get a flathead and slide this up to where it's like that and then pull out. So right now that we got all that stuff off, we're gonna start taking off these 13s right here to lower the transmission. We can either do that, or we can take the slave out, which is 2 13s, or we can just work with the manifold, the transmission bolts, the E10s, E12s, and E14s. So it doesn't matter which order you do it in, but it's your preference. So we're about to just do this, then do the slave, and then take the transmission bolts out.
I don't know, the older I get, the more I want to keep everything that's OEM. Not like the exhaust and shit, but like the sensors and stuff.
I am recording. What the fuck?
Bullshit conversations.
So one more bolt. Now you guys see why we need so much extensions. So we got all the transmission bolts out. Right now we're about to pull the trans. I thought that was me. I was about to say. the bolt in there? Yeah. Yeah, the other bolt's in it.
Erase all of that, YouTube. This is not how you take a transmission out. We were just fucking around, right? We was just seeing if, yeah. Cut to other scene.
Insanity. So
Transmission.
what bolt did we take out earlier when I was struggling?
The world may never know. Maybe there's another one of these. Oh, this other big trans bolt right here.
There's another big trans bolt in there?
No, that's the other one you took out. Oh, look at all of that tension just coming off of that. The fuck, BMW? We're fixing you. What the fuck is wrong with you? Cars are ungrateful.
Where's the...
There we go. Yes, sir. All right.
All right. Back to our scheduled programming. Look how easy that was. All right, now you gotta lower the jack.
Whoa, my son moving. He's trying to pack both of us up under here.
Nah, I didn't want it to drop on the exhaust.
Tighten it on the top.
Just drop it. I got it. Lower. Just lower all the way. It's just stuck. Oh. Just shit the linkage. Oh! Alright, we're about. What's in? Yeah, that's just like an eBay clutch. Oh, is it? Ugh.
Okay, this can definitely just be rested right here. They don't even have to go under the top.
Let's move all the bolts out the way.
Put them on the blanket. He has the new stuff in here too, right? The fork and stuff?
Nah, all that stuff stays.
Not how we changed it.
Can you jack up the exhaust? We're about to loosen up the pressure plate bolts. They are, I think, they're a 6mm Allen key. So we're about to loosen those up right now. And then after that, we'll take the clutch out and then do the flywheel bolts, which are 18mm. Look how, yo. What do you think, Sebastian? Clutch is dusty?
1,000 pieces.
Spin it back the other way so I can get to that. So we have one strip bolt so far. Shout out to the previous owner.
Whoever you are.
Technique. When in doubt, figure it out.
When we put this back up, we just leave the socket in there.
Nah, it comes with new bolts. Don't reuse the old bolts. Step 1. Alright, let's see how this clutch is looking. Oh!
Look at the floor. The clutch is on the floor.
Clutch is indeed on the floor. Look at all of that dust. Alright.
That's why we can't move the car.
Bro, come look at the flywheel.
Literally driving on hopes and dreams.
You could have just end this one. Technique. When in doubt, figure it out.
When we put this back up, we just leave the socket in there.
Nah, it comes with new bolts. Don't reuse the old bolts. Step 1. Alright, let's see how this clutch is looking. Oh!
Look at the floor. The clutch is on the floor.
Clutch is indeed on the floor. Look at all of that dust. Alright.
That's why we can't move the car.
So this is the new clutch setup. We have a JB Racing flywheel, a SOX pressure plate, and an OEM clutch disc, or it might be a SOX clutch disc. This is more for a stock feel with this clutch compared to the cooked 6-puck we have here. That shit is cooked. But yeah, this should be a good setup. The flywheel does look similar to what was previously in the car, but this looks like an eBay flywheel, and I'm not really sure what's up with it. And I don't think the owner knows that he has that, so we're just gonna toss this one in, and we should be good. So we're about to get ready and put this in the car. It does come with new bolts, new hardware, flywheel bolts as well, and I guess like a little adapter piece for the crank. And we have a new throwout bearing. So we're about to toss this on the car, put the transmission back on, and we should be good. We got the new clutch in. We torqued everything down. What's it called? We're about to put the transmission on. Let's see how difficult this is about to be for us. You ready?
Get it done. I want to see this thing moving with a good clutch and not powder.
So basically, putting the clutch on, we basically just did what we did in the other way when we took the trans off. When we took the clutch off. Reverse.
Do everything in reverse. Sit. How do you 2 people?
It takes 2.
You went on the floor under this fucking car. You're not on the lift.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
You don't gotta hold that. Alright. Do you believe in yourself to lift?
Above my head like this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is actually... If you can like lean it against that, then I have to do the rest. Alright, are you ready? My arm is dependent on
We can always get the jack.
We can always get the jack, but the room, there's never really room for the jack. Yo. 1 second. Is it touching the exhaust by any chance?
Over here, yeah.
I refuse.
I refuse to believe that. It's never been this easy.
Now we are.
Oh, this car is asking for.
We have everything bolted up. All we gotta do is put the exhaust back on, and then we're gonna go take a trip to Domino's and get some damn pizza. That'll be the test drive, and then the drive home as well. So we got the new clutch in. It's driving. The pedal doesn't feel as stiff as the old one did. Look at this F80. Tim Bussing can't really see it, but clutch is good. I'm about to go drop the car off to the owner in Queens, and then that'll be the end of this vlog. So hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Peace.